Greetings one and all, happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Hope all of you are doing well and your week's going just fine. This month's challenge is comfort food. I couldn't think of anything more comforting and cozy, I'll even say, is grilled cheese and tomato soup. It warms your core. So I'm gonna do that. I mean, I admit it's not the most challenging, but it's gonna taste phenomenal and it's gonna hit that just perfect comfort spot. So let's get to it. Of course, I'm not just doing white bread and American cheese. I actually got, some sourdough, I've got some pepper jack, and I've got some cheddar, white cheddar, and then I'm gonna grill up and fry up some bacon too. So yeah, we're gonna do it up right. All right, so I am using supportive cookware. I got my bacon going in my skillet. I'm gonna get my tomato soup. I looked up some recipes for homemade, but I remembered I had a can in the cupboard, so I'll just use it up. First, you gotta put a little bit of little cow juice. Put the whole cow juice in there. Now, I probably won't eat the whole can. I'll do half now, then I'll probably just do this again tomorrow and then do the other half. So I'm using the Seattle sourdough waterfront sourdough bread. So this is what I'm using. So the cheeses are going to be a Kroger pepper jack, because it happened to be on sale, and also Kroger aged white sharp cheddar. Then I got my bread here. As soon as my bacon is done frying up. It already bacon's done. Here. We got just a teaspoon of olive oil, just to rub it around. The nice part about doing the bacon already is the pan is already, the burner was already nice and hot, since I have electric stove, not a gas, although I prefer gas, but you get what you gotta use what you got. So, and also our state lawmakers hate natural gas. In fact, they actually passed a law to make it force everyone in the state to go with electric, because power company bribes lobbies to get everyone on electric stoves, and then then the lawmakers are like, yeah, we'll take your bribe, and then make it so everyone has to get electric stove. Turn my soup down. I don't want to burn my. Oh, I just couldn't see that. Sorry, I was too busy getting political, which I hate doing, but. It just irks me. We don't like electric stoves. We got a check from the power company so we can stop doing it. Alright, we got pepper jack cheese. That freaking packaging was being a total pain in the ass. Now what I want to make sure I do, which I need to get, because of the stove, because I know my stove, I gotta flip these. I gotta get my elbow in the way, sorry. I gotta turn these 180 because it's hotter down here than it is up here, so. I want nice brown and melty, not, overly burnt. Dark. Damn it. No, it's brown, but it's not like it's burnt, so. My other bacon strip. I think the soup's plenty warm enough. Need to get that sandwich off of there. The other one is done. The one thing I wanted to have not happen is they got a little dark, but it's not too bad. I mean, it's maybe it's just a little concentration of no. Alright, let's go eat. Alright, here we go. We got our tomato soup, and then we got our grilled cheese and bacon. Normally I would do the, excuse me, plate spin, but hey, it's less dishes as well. Alrighty, here we go. The Parmesan cheese is money. You might have noticed I didn't have a spoon for the soup. Well, that's because I primarily have it for dipping. Oh yeah. Nope. Camera's all crooked. Come on, camera. Well, tripod, really. Yeah, it's hitting on all cylinders. Outstanding. Mmm. Well, I'm gonna go sit down and eat my dinner. Well, I'm gonna finish eating my dinner. I'll do it off camera. But the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be description and also the end card. And I do thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.